Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can update your apps on your Gigaset GX6. For that, you want to go to your Play Store and then click on your Google account here. Then go to Manage Apps and Device, and here you see updates available, 22 updates pending. So now you can see all the updates that are available. You can click here on update all or update just one app you want to update. You can also click on update all here and see more details. Then it's just the same site as before. When you click on update all apps, it will just take some time to update them all, but you can use your phone in that time as normal, and also afterwards. And then when you use one specific app, there might be a new feature or something. So that's how you update apps on your GX6. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.